I've got the December Allure box. So if you want to see what's in this month's curation, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. You can see Dexter's tail. He might, oh, there we go. He's getting himself right on in the frame because I don't know if he wants my glasses or this plastic bag on the table or the computer, but he wants something up there. And Chloe's making Christmas cookies and Bandit is just following her around because she's in the kitchen cooking. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, hauls, clothing hauls, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is put together by the editors of Allure magazine. You're going to get a mix of full-size and deluxe samples. There is a little flyer to tell you about the products. There's information about some of the things that they have for sale on their site. They do the GQ box as well. And there's a little $10 gift card for store credit in their store. And there's your sneak peek. And first up was a choice item, so you could choose from 4 different colors, and that is the Dibs. This is their Beauty Go-To Glossy Balm. You could have chosen Italian Soda, which was like a bubblegum pink, Kiss Me Quick, which was more of like a nude, Rock Candy, or Mims. And what did I choose? I chose Mims. This was the Italian Soda, that was the Rock Candy, and then this was the others. This is the Mims. And I remember looking it up on the Dibs website to really get a better view of what I thought it would look like. Oh, smells delicious. So it's more of a pinky nude and just a pretty gloss. And that is full size with an MSRP of $24. Next, by Rodial or Rodial, I'm not really sure how it's pronounced. This is their Bee Venom Eye Cream. And this is full size, $175. Now, I know you guys can't see, but I'm looking at this and there's like, because it was laying down like this, it looks like it's up to here, but on the back, it looks like it's all the way down to here. But that's just, you know, it's weighed, so I'm assuming this is the correct weight. This is 0.84 fluid ounces or 25 milliliters. So this size right here goes for $175. So, I mean, you can't beat that kind of bargain for a $20, $22, whatever it is, investment. It says it has bee venom and it's going to help smooth out crow's feet and under eye fine lines. Next, by Beauty for Certain, we have the Soft to Sculpted Contour Palette. Very nice. This is full size and it is a $39 value. So we definitely have colors for all skin tones. And you can also just kind of lighten it up by just using a little bit. If you wanted to go in with like one of these darker colors. Darker colors are great for contouring, and we've got some great bronzing colors right there. These have some shimmer in there, so you're going to get not only the contour, but you're going to get like some highlighting. So great, great set. there are those colors. I mean, I almost feel like you could use this as an eyeshadow palette as well. And if we just blend those out, you're going to see kind of how you can use them a little bit better. And that's just with my fingers. So it feels like it looks dark there, but I didn't even put anything there. So next, by Innisfree, we have the Gentle Retinol Salicylic Daily Toner Pads. This is a 2-pack, so this is going to be a deluxe sample. Let's see what the editors say that this is going to do for us. It says it's best for those with acne-prone skin, but good for anybody because the retinol is going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. And it's going to exfoliate and deeply clean your pores. And the retail price for 60 pads is $28. And again, we got 2. Now, there was supposed to be a base blue mini air sponge, which was a $5 value. I don't have that in my box. I've looked. It's nowhere to be found. And then next, isn't that adorable? I almost don't want to open it up. This is actually a shampoo and conditioner set. So these are each 30 milliliters. The full size of 500 milliliters is only $16. And this is Deep Hydration and Shine. And it has Manuka honey in it. And here's what they're going to look like inside of there. Now it says the cleansing formula has a nourishing argan oil and hydrating panthenol along with honey, which is going to smooth your strands and soften them. And then the conditioner, it says it has an addition of royal jelly extract, which is a fancy way of saying honeybee secretion. It also has hyaluronic acid, and it gives it a syrup-like shine. Okay. Oh, okay. You would have gotten either these or the sponge. I see. Okay. So I'm not missing anything. All right. So very nice curation. I mean, we got the full-size dibs. We got the full-size contour palette. And that $175 full-size Bee Venom eye product. And then a really nice set of samples. I think that's just adorable. I almost don't want to take it out. Like, I'm not taking it out right now to show you guys because, I mean, I can just, you know, show you the picture in here because it's just too cute. All right, that is the December box. Pretty good. I mean, you definitely make your money back, which is why I love subscription boxes. I wish I loved them less, but here's where we are. All right. Well, what was your favorite item? Mine is going to be that Dibs Lippy. I love a gloss. I do. I love a gloss. But tell me what yours is. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon.